Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video we are going to understand the program which finds the difference between sums of odd level and even level nodes of a binary tree. First, let us take an example. In this binary tree, the sum of nodes at odd levels is 18 and the sum of nodes at even levels is 27. So the final output will be 18 minus 27, which is equal to minus 9. Now let us see the algorithm which will assist us in finding this difference. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node to function getLevelDiff. So root will point to 5. Since root is not null, we return root minus getLevelDiff roots left minus getLevelDiff roots right. So first we pass the left child of 5, which is 2, to function getLevelDiff using a call stack. Now root will point to 2. Again, we call for the left child of 2, which is 1. So now root will point to 1. Since root is not null, we pass the left child of 1, which is null. Hence, root will now point to null. As root is pointing to null, we return 0. Now we pass the right child of 1, which is also null. So root will again point to null. As root is null, we return 0. We return 1 minus 0 minus 0 to getLevelDiff 1. So we return 1 and finish execution for node 1. We pass the right child of 2, which is 4. Hence, root will now point to 4. As 4 is not null, we call for the left child of 4, which is null. Hence, root will point to null. As root is pointing to null, we return 0. Next, we pass the right child of 4, which is also null. So, root will again point to null. As root is pointing to null, we return 0 and finally return 4 minus 0 minus 0 to getLevelDiff 2 is right. We return 2 minus 1 minus 4 to getLevelDiff 2 and finish execution for node 2. Next, we pass the right child of 5, which is 6. So root will point to 6. As root is not null, we now pass the left and right child of 6. Since 6 does not have a left child, we pass null. So root will point to null. As root is pointing to null, we return 0. Now we pass the right child of 6, which is 8. So root will point to 8. As root is not null, we pass the left and right child of 8. Since 8's left and right child are both null, we return 0. Next, we return 8 minus 0 minus 0 to getLevelDiff 6 right. Next, we return 6 minus 8, which is equal to minus 2 to getLevelDiff 5's right. Finally, we return 5 minus 3 minus minus 2. So we return 5 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 10, and that is the difference between sums of odd levels and even level. Now let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity. Here n are the number of nodes in our binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.